Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick tidy up for you, and this was after I had actually filmed a YouTube video. So this is kind of what happens in the midst of all that chaos. So I'm cleaning up from filming. I had a bunch of products laid out that I was showing. I had my lighting, my monitor, all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up and tidy up the house so I can sit back and relax for the rest of the evening.
I make mistakes I never made before, but either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, I'm leaving all that behind, so I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I want and do.
So much goes into filming sit-down videos. I make such a mess when I film them. I have products everywhere. I have filming equipment, cords. It's crazy, and it honestly stresses me out. So whenever I film, when I get done, it looks like a tornado went through my house, and not to mention because the kids are sometimes running wild, so they're just messing up. The dogs are pulling all their toys out. So whenever I'm done filming, this is kind of the routine that I have, just to tidy up. That way I can relax.
I am a woman, coming alive. Glory, I know it will survive. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind.
So in case you didn't see my last cleaning video, that is a Dbot robot vacuum cleaner, and I love it so much. They sent it to me to review for you guys. You can get it on Amazon. I'll have it linked for you in the description box if you're interested, but it's a really great little robot vacuum. It picks up so much stuff, and I love to use it when I'm just cleaning up. It can kind of go and get at least a head start on the vacuum, but I usually run it in the morning to just kind of get any dog hair or any dust or anything that's been drug in, or crumbs that we've dropped on the floor. It doesn't replace my regular vacuum, but it definitely is a nice little vacuum to like kind of maintain everything. So I've really been enjoying it. And this is the new Caldrea spray in Sweet Pea, and I got that one in the rosewater and driftwood, and I love both of them. They smell so good. They're new scents from them. I love almost all of the linen sprays I tried from Caldrea, so if you haven't tried them, definitely try some because they are amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminator onto my area rug and let that sit while I clean up the kitchen.
I'm gonna let it shine on you. And I'm gonna let it shine, shine, shine. I'm gonna let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I wouldn't do for you. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. We're beyond good, I've never been so ready. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell worry goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be When the evening falls across the land and your lover's reaching you the hand, don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late.
say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eye so I can tell you how.
So when I'm filming a couple of sit-down videos in one day, I have to change outfits in between. So on the bed, I have a couple of different shirts on there, and then I have cords and my laptop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed. I wasn't gonna make it completely, but then I decided last minute to just go ahead and put all the pillows on it. So I made it a little different than I normally do just to change it up, and because I was gonna be getting back into it in a couple of hours. So that's why I put my pillows in the front instead of behind like I usually do. But yeah, I have a bunch of clothes on there because when you're filming multiple sit down videos, you have to change outfits in between. I even changed earrings, so you're gonna see me in a minute changing back into my normal earrings.
I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
was like 50 degrees on this day and the breeze felt amazing. I was hot from cleaning, so I took off the shirt I was wearing and I opened all the windows in the house and let a breeze come through, and it was just amazing. I love cleaning my house on days where it's cool and there's a little bit of a breeze and I can open my windows and let fresh air in. It's my favorite. If it's your favorite too, leave this a thumbs up. It is the best time to clean, I swear.
Work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean with me, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to please leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
But it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling strong.